We first got in touch with you a few years back to ask about improving the energy efficiency of this property.
I'd heard of Passivhaus, but I thought you had to build a Passivhaus. I thought it was just a new build. And then doing some research, I found out that you could retrofit old houses.
Yeah, it's got fantastic bones and relatively straightforward as well, because of course it was a rendered building to start with. I think we did the right thing in the fact that we agreed that we would, instead of extending, we would reorganise the interior and we would make the best use of the existing building that we currently have. And then we've got a team together.
Which is where we stepped in. One of the most interesting things for us right from the start was trying to change the mindset of the guys doing the individual work, and also changing the mindset with kind of the sequencing.
I remember you saying that you were going to target new build air tightness, even though it's a deep retrofit, and you achieved it.
We kind of said to Ruth right at the start, what do we do if we don't get it? And Ruth kind of said, no, we will get it. Having now done it, you do it right, you do it methodically, you follow the processes and you will reap the rewards.
Living in a Passivhaus means that the temperature is very constant. It doesn't seem to vary very much.
The house cools down slowly, and when the sun's out it heats up quite quickly. There are no drafts.
And it's quiet.
Yeah.
And where we live is quite windy, so we've noticed that.
Having measured embodied carbon on new build passive houses, even those that have got timber frames and timber cladding, your EnerPHit here is half the embodied carbon of a new build.